Human trials of the first Thai-developed COVID-19 vaccine, which was developed by Jula Vaccine Research Center, or CVRC, at Chulalongkorn University and King Chulalongkorn Memorial Hospital, has begun since yesterday. Called Jula COVID-19, the vaccine is the first vaccine developed in Thailand, but will be the second to be locally made, if approved, after Siam Bioscience production of the UK's AstraZeneca vaccine. It is also an mRNA vaccine, a type that provides instructions to human cells on how to make a spike protein that triggers the body's immune response. According to Professor Dr. Sutipong Wacharasintu, the hospital's director and dean of the Faculty of Medicine at Chulalongkorn University, the vaccine is being administered to healthy volunteers in 2 phases under close supervision of specialized doctors, nurses, and researchers at King Chulalongkorn Memorial Hospital. The first phase involves 72 volunteers, half are aged 18 to 55 and half 65 to 75. Some of them will get 10 micrograms of the vaccine, while others will get 25 micrograms and 50 micrograms to determine the most effective dosage. The second phase, involving 150 to 300 volunteers, will begin in August if the first phase results are satisfactory. He said that if both phases of the trial prove high efficacy and safety of the vaccine, the third phase can be skipped and it could be approved for mass production before mid-2022 or next year. Prior to the human trials, the CVRC conducted experiments in monkeys and rats with a high rate of success in preventing the virus from entering their system, according to Professor Dr. Kiat Rakmungtham, scientific mentor and founder of the CVRC. When tested for heat tolerance, it was found that the vaccine can be kept in a refrigerator at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius for 3 months and can last 2 weeks at room temperature. It can be manufactured quickly without the need for massive facilities. With support from the Public Health Ministry, the National Vaccine Institute, other state agencies, the private sector, and civil society, the Thai vaccine researchers have also received support from Professor Drew Weissman of Pennsylvania University, a physician scientist specializing in RNA biology who laid the groundwork for the COVID-19 vaccines, developed later by BioNTech, Pfizer, and Moderna. Dr. Kiat said the CVRC will carry out further experimentation of the vaccine in animals alongside the human trials to prepare for mutations of the virus. If the experiments go according to plan, human trials of the vaccine on prominent variants such as Alpha, Delta, Gamma, and Beta will be conducted in the last quarter of this year.